29 forecast.
Watching the progress of Tropical Storm Ophelia. That is the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center. Hello, I'm meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. The center of the tropical system will move northbound near and east of I-95 through tonight. So we're on the western end of the system that will keep us on the cooler side with additional rain and some gusty winds. Looking back at last night as the clouds were increasing, check out this spectacular tropical storm sunset, I'm calling it, thanks to Maureen and Steve at Tufton Pond, not far from Lake Monticello. Wow, look at that with the clouds increasing out ahead of those rain bands from Ophelia last night. In that first forecast for today, rain clouds across the region. Daytime highs will struggle to get out of the 50s, mostly in the lower 60s across central Virginia. But with those northeast winds, it's going to feel very cool to us, especially after coming off some very hot days earlier this month. So rainfall, there will be some lulls in the rain, but overall it's going to be a wet and windy day. NBC 29's live Doppler radar scope is showing the rain light to moderate now across I-64 from areas of Charlottesville, Crozet, Route 20, 29, and also along the Route 15 corridor. You'll notice some showers, some heavier bands of rain, Orange, Louisa, Fluvanna, and Buckingham County. But here comes that lull in the rain right here, a little bit of a dry slot pushing in from east to west. And look at the wet conditions along Route 29. This is at Airport Road and US 29. Lots of rain on the windshields and the camera lens there on the roadways. Back across the Shenandoah Valley, you're getting some much needed rainfall right now. Harrisonburg, Stanton to Waynesboro. Now there could be some local high water, especially into Louisa, Fluvanna, Buckingham, south and east. That is a flood watch through tonight for most areas into southeastern portions of Virginia, including the Richmond metro. And the strongest winds will be felt across the spine of the Blue Ridge. That's where the Weather Service has a wind advisory for northeast winds up to 55 miles per hour through 8 o'clock tonight. It's all part of the center of circulation now making landfall. There it is. Tropical Storm Ophelia making landfall near the Morehead City area, North Carolina. It has winds of 70 miles per hour according to the latest update. It'll move northbound, stay a tropical storm near Richmond, and then weaken to a remnant low, but it will stay to our east. So we're on the friendlier side, if you will, of the circulation. Severe weather on the east end of the circulation. We're on the western side with rain and wind. The rain and wind will begin to subside late tonight and into the day on Sunday. Northeast winds today 25, 35, possibly 40 miles per hour before they begin to relax late tonight and tomorrow. A good solid 1 to 3 inches of rain total for the entire region, but there will be locally higher amounts, especially along the Blue Ridge Mountains and off to the south and east. Forecast for today, rainy, windy, upper 50s, low 60s. And for tonight, additional rain, breezy, mid 50s to low 60s. Highs tomorrow should reach the upper 60s and low 70s. A lingering shower, otherwise mostly cloudy skies. Here's your 7-day forecast. Near 60 tomorrow night, mostly cloudy Monday, low 70s. Our next best chance for some rainfall will be on Tuesday with highs only in the 60s. It will be cooler than average for the first week of autumn. Barely out of the 60s and mostly cloudy skies. So yes, we are officially now in the autumn season.
Unfortunately, we're not feeling that autumn beautiful weather right now.
Yeah, we had some bright sunshine throughout the week, but this is definitely beneficial rain for our severe drought. This will hopefully put a dent in that over the next couple of days.
Well, thank you.